When you're starting a business, naming it is an important first step of the process. If your business already has an established name, you can still use a DBA for a shorter, catchier name to build your brand. But what is a DBA, and more importantly, how do you apply for a DBA in Illinois? DBA stands for Doing Business As. You can think of it as a nickname for your business that differs from its legal name. As a business owner, you might want to set up a DBA to rebrand or increase your privacy, like if you do business under your full name. You might also need a DBA to open a bank account. Is a DBA right for your business, and how is a DBA different from a business entity like an LLC? For more information, let's hear from an attorney in the LegalZoom network.
A DBA, also called a trade name, is just a brand name that you can use that's customer-facing, which is attached to your actual LLC. The difference between an LLC and a DBA is that an LLC is an actual registered entity with your state, and a DBA is really just a brand name that's customer-facing, which is not your full LLC name. The difference between a DBA and a sole proprietorship is that a DBA has a registration with the state as a registered brand name, and a sole proprietorship means you really don't have any registrations and you're just operating under your individual name.
If you want to file a DBA online, LegalZoom has your back. Here's what you need to know. First, you'll choose a name. If it's required in your county or state, you'll also have to do a name search to make sure the one you want is available. We'll take care of the preliminary name search for you. Then comes your DBA application filing. You'll need to fill out our questionnaire so we can help you file the required DBA forms in your state or county. If you're filing as a sole proprietor, be sure to have an employer identification number, or EIN, set up. This helps keep your Social Security information private when you do business. EINs are also required if you plan on hiring employees. In some states, you'll need to publish proof of your DBA in a local newspaper, typically within 30 days of registration. If you file a DBA with LegalZoom, our team is here to help you with that too. Having a memorable DBA can do a lot for your business, and the process can be simple. Ready to get started? Head over to LegalZoom and we'll help you register a DBA for your business.